The wonderful smell of another productive morning at the office. Thanks to that successful meeting from last time, you're inches away from a major partnership. Naturally, there are calls to be made and documents to be reviewed. Just as you thought your day couldn't get any busier, Elena and Ben arrive and redefine busy, while Clement shows up for a morning chit-chat. With everyone coming and going as they please, your desk begins to feel like a busy junction. If only that junction had a stop signal to regulate this traffic. Enter ASUS Expertbook's User Status Indicator, a small LED light that offers an at-a-glance indication of your status. In auto mode, the status indicator illuminates when the microphone is in use, keeping your colleagues at bay when you're in the middle of a call or video conference. When the call ends, the indicator automatically dims to signal your availability. And in case you need to make a very clear signal, a quick tap of Function +1 manually toggles your personal traffic light on or off, keeping the uninvited guests in check. Problems come in all shapes and sizes, but so do our solutions. With ideas for every work need, ASUS Business provides the tools you need for tranquil productivity.